Alright. Let's start off with this. Because I know there's big cards I want in here. Oh, yeah. Love the OGs. And what packs come in here? Oh, it comes with Sword and Shield. And Evolving Skies. Alright. Let's see what I get. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What was good in Sword and Shield? Do you know? Nothing? Yeah.
No idea.
Did you open any, yo?
I don't think so.
Okay. Berry, Rare Candy, Raboot, Scorpio, Yamper, Gold Queen. Hey! I got a Snorlax Beam.
Jeez. What is that in? Oh, the thing.
It was in the Sword and Shield one. Does it mean I'm gonna get nothing for Evolving Skies? Oh crap. That's the one I want the most. Come on. Give me the Umbreon. It's an Umbreon pack. Yeah, the Evolving Skies pack feel a lot easier to open. One, two, three, four. Oh, I got something. I don't know what it is. It's not a full art though. I can tell just by looking at it. But it's something. Oh, Vaporeon VMAX. It's not bad actually. It's not bad. See? Which one are you trying to look at?
Which one are you showing? Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, this is actually not bad. I want the alt full art, but I'll take what I could get. And I'll see what's in this luxury ball. I might get another one of those actually. I just want the Evolving Skies. Yeah. Oh, my card's a mess. I gotta clean that later. Is it still sealed? Ooh. I got a Dragonite coin. I should put these cards away. I don't have a place to put them away. Cosmic Eclipse. Honestly, I might keep that. Vivid Voltage and Rebel Clash. I actually want to keep the Cosmic Eclipse. Yes. I don't care if you speak, man. Let's keep this all sealed up. Just because I like it. I opened Vivid Voltage. Give me Fat Pikachu. Please. Oh, my card's filled with Pokemon packs now. Gotta clean that. Psychic. Opal, Megtang, Graphic, Trebuch, Shuppet, Chuva, Riolu, Eevee, Ooh! Oh wait, that's not bad. Yo! Look! That's not bad. I got a Charizard. Yo! I know, right? I actually like the Jirachi one.
What is that? What's the pack from?
I forgot. I just threw it on my car. Oh, Vivid Voltage. I just realized I don't have any sleeves. I didn't bring anything. Rebel Clash. I already spent so much money. Hmm? Two other packs. What? The clear ones? Yeah. Oh, wait. 2, 3, 4. Nothing. Oh, okay. 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 Is that something again? Oh shit! Yo! I keep getting something. Alright. Yo, after all that, I'm so tempted to open this. But we'll see. Maybe next time.